Hello my friends, welcome back to another video here on Rebel Trading, where I will show you trading strategies in order to take your day trading game to the next level. So in today's video, I have a scalping strategy on the 1-minute time frame. I typically do not trade on the 1-minute time frame myself, but I did have a couple of people requesting a strategy more towards scalpers on the 1-minute time frame. The strategy is good for crypto, forex, and stocks. I'll be using it on the Euro US dollar trade pair today. And as always, everything mentioned in today's video is completely free. Also, be sure to stick around to the very end of the video where I will show you how to set up trade alerts on this strategy so you don't have to stare at your screen all day. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the 1-minute time frame, and we're going to make sure that we have the Heikin-Ashi candles activated. The first indicator that we will use, called Bollinger Bands, you're going to click on the very first one. After that, you're going to go to Settings, and you're going to make sure that you have the standard deviation set to 3. As for the style and visibility, it is by your preference. I usually don't really do a whole lot to switch it. The second indicator that we will use is called the Awesome Oscillator, the very first one right here. You're going to click on that, and we will make no changes to that oscillator. So as for the trading strategy, the first thing that we're going to be looking for a long position is for the price action to come just outside of the Bollinger Bands. What this represents is a standard deviation of 3 outside of the 20 EMA. That's what this golden line is right here. So typically, I want to say 97 or 98% of the time, the price action will stay between these two bands right here on whatever time frame it is. So what we're going to be looking for is for the wick just to touch it right there. After that, for a long, we're going to wait for the first green candle to close. After the green candle closes, we are also going to wait until the Awesome Oscillator prints a green bar. If this is more than 3 bars, you do not want to take the trade. But we can see here that the conditions are met, so we will be taking our first long position. For the stop loss, you can either set it at the Bollinger Band, or you can set it by the most recent swing low right down here. I usually put it on whichever one is closest. Then I'm going to set my first take profit at around the 1 risk-reward ratio, and I'll be taking the second half of my trade at the 1.5 risk-reward ratio. As you can see, this trade was profitable. Seeing as how it's on the 1-minute scalping strategy, most of these trades are in and out quite rapidly. Also, if you guys have found value out of today's video so far, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click the like button. All right, so now for the short, we're pretty much going to be looking for the complete opposite. We're going to be looking for a red candle to come up to the Bollinger Band on the top, and we're going to wait for the price action to come outside. Then, after the red candle closes, we're going to make sure that it lines up on the oscillator down here. But seeing as how this trade didn't have a wick come out, we will be looking for our next short position. All right, so as you can see right here, the price action did come outside the top of the Bollinger Band. We did wait for a red candle to close, and the oscillator had a red bar within 2 additional candles of this trade. So we would have been able to take this potential short position. So we're going to set it right here. We're going to set the stop loss either by the Bollinger Band or the most recent swing high. Our first take profit is going to be at the 1 risk-reward ratio, and then I'll take the remaining profit at the 1.5 risk-reward ratio. So something that can invalidate this trade would be a doji candle. So as you can see right here, these candles have really long wicks and not much body on the candle. Whenever you see one of these candles appear, the trade is invalidated, and I would completely stay away from the trade. Regardless of this position, I would stay away from the trade, any trade, if you were to see a candle like this. The price action would be very volatile, and the possibility of you losing a trade if one of these candles appear is quite higher. Another cool thing about this trading strategy, I think, is that it is quite flexible. So for example, you can include something else down here, like maybe a MACD, in order to make your trading a little bit more accurate. Again, I usually don't trade on the 1-minute time frames. If you guys think that you can incorporate something like a supply and demand, or perhaps another indicator, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. All right, so we have another awesome short position right here. As we can see, the price action went outside the Bollinger Band. We had a red candle print, and within a couple more candles, we had a red bar print on the Awesome Oscillator. So we will be taking our short position right here, risk-reward ratio. And as we can see, we have another profitable trade right here. So in order to set up alerts on this trading strategy, what you're going to do is you're going to right click add alert. Once you're here, you're going to click on once per bar close. This is probably the most important part. If you do not put it right here, it will spam you. So you're going to make sure it's on crossing. After that, you're going to click on BB. And then after that, just go ahead and create the alert. And every time the price action touches on one of these outside Bollinger Bands, you will get alert notification on your phone, email, or whatever device that you have. So if you guys found value out of today's video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel in order to see future trading strategies to help you be profitable. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be creating my free Telegram channel where I will be showing you all the trades that I take on a regular basis. So once again, thank you very much, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.